From robotic chefs and flying motorcycles to smart mirrors, AI-powered limbs, and paper-thin solar panels, the future isn't coming, it's already here. In this video, we're exploring 25 real inventions that seem ripped straight from science fiction, yet are already being built, tested, or used today. These aren't just cool concepts. They're world-changing innovations, reshaping how we live, travel, work, and heal. 100% of people watching this will want to like and comment, and you should too. So watch till the end and tell us which invention amazed you the most. Volinaut Airbike. The Volinaut Airbike is a revolutionary flying motorcycle that's nearly ready for market. With a top speed of 200 kilometers per hour, it can hover, spin 360 degrees, and is steered using body movements and joysticks. Built with carbon fiber and 3D printing, it's 7 times lighter than traditional bikes. Although there's no launch date yet, its futuristic design and near-flight capability make it one of the most exciting upcoming innovations in personal transport. Open Bionics Hero PRO. The Hero PRO from Open Bionics is an advanced prosthetic hand controlled wirelessly via muscle signals. It's so responsive that users can make it crawl toward objects. Thanks to myopod electrodes, the hand reacts when a muscle is flexed. It's tough, functional, and lightweight, lifting up to 26 kilograms and weighing just 548 grams. With a full-day battery life, this prosthetic brings both independence and high-tech capability to its users, showcasing how technology enhances human potential. Mcmmerry Sparrowing Pure VP1. The Mcmmerry Sparrowing Pure VP1 is a ceiling-driving electric hypercar that redefines performance. With fans spinning at 23,000 RPM, it generates 2 metric tons of downforce, even while stationary. It corners faster than a Formula One car and accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 1.5 seconds. It's already broken records on the Top Gear test track, proving it's more than just a concept. The VP1 demonstrates what's possible when physics meets cutting-edge automotive engineering. Pulsar Fusion Sunbird. Pulsar Fusion Sunbird could revolutionize space travel with its fusion-powered engine. Boasting 450 tons of thrust and 2 megawatts of power, it outperforms many existing systems. Its compact design eliminates the need for heavy shielding or cooling systems. Instead of 21 months, it could reduce travel time to Mars to just 2 to 3 months. With orbital tests planned for 2027, the Sunbird marks a significant step forward in faster and more efficient space exploration. Somotion Exoskeleton. The Somotion Exoskeleton is a robotic wearable designed for people with spinal cord injuries, enabling hands-free walking. It's one of the few self-balancing exoskeletons in the world and the first to mimic natural leg movement. Supporting heights of 1.5 to 2 meters and up to 100 kilograms in weight, it also features hot swappable batteries for extended use. With its debut in a Calgary rehab center, Exomotion is paving the way for mobility-focused medical robotics. Sony Sony's XYN simplifies the creation of 3D content by merging cutting-edge hardware and software. It uses ultra-light Mopoppy motion sensors and a unique 3D display that doesn't require a headset, thanks to patented eye-tracking technology. Designed for creatives of all experience levels, it allows anyone to bring real-world objects into virtual spaces. Sony envisions a future where producing high-quality 3D assets becomes as effortless as taking a photo with your phone. FlexiVol and PointerVol FlexiVol technology lets users touch, rotate, and shape holograms with their fingers. Vibrating ribbons, combined with projection and smart algorithms, ensure stable and interactive visuals from any angle. Interaction is 30% faster than using traditional 3D tools. PointerVol, a complementary laser pointer, creates accurate dots on holograms, enhancing precision. Together, these innovations could revolutionize fields like medicine, design, and museum exhibitions by turning digital illusions into interactive, hands-on experiences. Glide Smart Guide for the visually impaired Glide is an AI-powered smart guide designed for blind and visually impaired individuals. It functions like a cross between a cane and a guide dog, offering obstacle detection, navigation assistance, and object recognition up to 15 meters ahead. Glide follows voice commands and supports both planned routes and spontaneous movement. With a 6-hour battery life and advanced robotics, it empowers users with more independence and safety. The device is currently in alpha testing. Flashbot Arm. The Flashbot Arm is a compact robotic assistant built for hospitals, hotels, and stores. It understands voice commands, gestures, and facial expressions, and features hands with 11 degrees of freedom. This enables it to perform tasks like delivering packages, calling elevators, and serving food. With an 8-hour battery life and a 15-kilogram build, it's easy to integrate into tight spaces. Flashbot frees up human workers to focus on guest interaction, improving efficiency and service. Cyclo Cable. In Trondheim, Norway, cyclists enjoy a unique invention. The Cyclo Cable, the world's only bicycle lift. Originally called Tramper, it helps riders ascend steep slopes with ease. Cyclists place one foot on the lift while keeping the other on their pedal. It's also useful for skateboarders, scooter riders, and even parents with strollers. Stretching 130 meters, the modernized lift is now free to use. This blend of practicality and innovation makes urban transport more accessible and enjoyable. Regent Viceroy Sea Glider. The Regent Viceroy is an electric sea glider that's progressing from concept to reality. Designed to seat 12 passengers and 2 crew, it can travel up to 300 kilometers on a single charge and potentially up to 740 kilometers with next-gen batteries. With a cruising speed of 300 kilometers per hour, it's set to transform coastal travel. The company has $9 billion in pre-orders and plans to build a dedicated factory for mass production of this groundbreaking vessel. Case Impact Loader. Case Impact is a concept wheel loader that's emission-free, silent, and autonomous. It's ideal for hazardous sites where human presence is risky. It operates via remote control or semi-autonomously and can perform digging and unloading on its own. Additionally, it collects real-time data to refine its performance. This machine not only improves safety, but also introduces smarter, data-driven construction practices. It's a glimpse into the future of industrial machinery and labor automation. X Burgerbots. Burgerbot is a futuristic fast food joint in Silicon Valley, where robots cook burgers in just 27 seconds. Although priced at $18, the experience combines fast service with technological spectacle. While robots handle the cooking, human staff focus on customer service. If successful, similar eateries may spread across California and beyond. In fact, reports show 89% of hospitality managers are open to robotic automation, suggesting a growing appetite for tech-assisted dining. Looking Glass 27-inch display. Looking Glass Factory's 27-inch light field display offers incredibly lifelike 3D visuals. No special glasses required. Using spatial holography, it provides realistic depth, texture, and lighting. Compatible with platforms like Unity and Unreal Engine, it's favored by companies like Pixar and NVIDIA. Though it costs $10,000, the display has immense value for designers, medical professionals, and other creatives who benefit from immersive visuals. It represents the cutting edge of 3D content presentation. The OnMed Care Station. The OnMed Care Station is a futuristic healthcare kiosk that functions like a full clinic. It connects patients to doctors via a large screen, allowing real-time monitoring of weight, temperature, and more. Doctors can guide users to operate tools like a stethoscope or HD camera for closer inspection. It's affordable, scalable, and more capable than standard telehealth services. Ideal for emergencies or public spaces, this station is reshaping how and where people access quality care. Planttoform Smart Indoor Garden. Planttoform brings fogponics, a space-age plant-growing method, into your kitchen. Instead of soil, it uses mist to nourish plants, making gardening clean and efficient. Users insert capsules, add water, and manage everything through an app. The mini garden takes care of lighting and growth, requiring a water refill just once every 2 weeks. You can experiment with various capsule types and harvest fresh greens right at home. The starter kit costs $720 and includes a salad mix pack. PowerRoll. PowerRoll introduces ultra-thin solar panels that can be rolled out like wallpaper and applied to almost any surface, walls, windows, or roofs. Thanks to a unique embossing technique with microscopic grooves, the panels deliver 13% better efficiency than traditional ones. They're cheaper to make and free of rare elements like indium. The company aims to produce panels that can collectively generate 1 gigawatt of power. PowerRoll is a step forward in green energy solutions. EUI Make E1. The EUI Make E1 is the world's first personal UV printer that prints on almost any surface. Mugs, rocks, glass, leather, and more. It works by printing onto a peel-off film, which you then apply to your object. The printer can create not only high-resolution 3D visuals, but also textured designs. Its creators raised $17.5 million on Kickstarter, showing strong demand. Compact and versatile, the E1 opens up new creative possibilities for home users and small businesses. Overland AI Ultra. The Ultra platform by Overland AI is built for extreme conditions where GPS and communication fail. This autonomous ground vehicle can navigate forests, volcanic terrain, and rugged landscapes. With its 114 horsepower engine and modular design, it supports drone or logistics add-ons. Ultra can adapt to new paths on its own and carry out complex tasks like reconnaissance or casualty evacuation. It also runs on battery power when needed, making it perfect for military and rescue missions. Anura Mcmmerry V7. The Anura Mcmmerry V7 by Neurologics scans your face and delivers health data in just 30 seconds. Using patented transdermal optical imaging, it assesses around 100 indicators like blood pressure, skin health, diabetes risk, and even signs of depression, all without entering personal data. This smart mirror is still in development, but shows great promise in preventive healthcare. With its quick, non-invasive analysis, it could transform how we monitor our well-being at home. Nua Pen. The Nua Pen is a smart writing tool that digitizes your notes and sketches with high accuracy. Equipped with 3 cameras, it captures handwritten content and stores it both locally and in the cloud. It also transcribes notes automatically and supports regular D1 ink cartridges, keeping the natural writing feel. With a battery life of about 23 hours, it's practical for long use. The Nua Pen brings together analog comfort and digital convenience in one smart device. Gesturobotics Aura. Aura is a drone you can control with a glove, no joystick needed. A wave of your hand makes it flip, hover, or change direction. Designed for kids 6 and up, it's so intuitive that even first-timers can control it easily. Despite its toy-like design, Aura offers impressive responsiveness and fun. It costs just $59 and makes an exciting gift for children and adults alike. With multiple units, it even enables fun, competitive drone races. Solar water heater. Sunbank's solar water heater provides hot water without relying on gas or electricity. The 151-liter model costs $2,800 and uses glass vacuum tubes to heat water to 71 degrees Celsius efficiently. It contains no moving parts or pumps, ensuring durability. It's suitable for home or commercial use and often qualifies for tax incentives. With stainless steel construction and excellent thermal retention, this system helps reduce utility bills while promoting sustainable living, a smart investment in green energy. Bixby K1. The Bixby K1 is a compact electric motor that transforms kayaks, paddleboards, and inflatable boats into powered watercraft. Weighing only 1.2 kilograms, including the mount, it reaches speeds of 6.5 kilometers per hour and performs well even in shallow water. It's remote-controlled and works in both salt and fresh water. Priced at $479, it's ideal for anglers and outdoor adventurers who want added mobility on the water without bulky equipment. Simple, efficient, and highly portable. Lyft X electric surfboard. The Lyft X is an electric hydrofoil surfboard that makes riders feel like they're flying above water. Despite its $17,000 price tag, it's loaded with features: 45 minutes of ride time per charge, 80% recharge in 30 minutes, and no tools required for assembly. It's powerful yet compact, with a battery that fits directly into the board. Built for performance, the Lyft X can even handle wind resistance smoothly, making it one of the most advanced e-foils available.